Hi, this is Ben, and I'm opening up this Chapin professional bag seater. Got the box opened up. Here's the manual, and here's the bag itself. And then there's a hand crank, and then the baffle. Don't lose track of this little screw. This is what holds on the baffle. So just pull this out of the bag. So you can see the bag is about the size of like a tote bag, and inside is the strap. So if you look down in, you can see how the seed goes out. Setup for this is fairly simple. The crank will just screw on. You'll know it's tight when it starts to engage the spinning. You don't have to spin it very hard at all to get this really moving quick. So if you're looking at the bottom of the spreader, here's where the baffle will go. There's a notch cut in it to fit over the edge here. This is what will prevent the seed from hitting your body as you're walking around your yard. Then the final step is hooking the other end of the strap onto the front. There are two holes. I'm going to do it on the other side. The strap does have this pad on it, and the strap is adjustable. And there's also a curve here at the bottom just to rest against your body. And then on the far side here is the adjustment. There's a chart that comes in the manual so you can know which level to set this at. It's very easy to slide it back and forth, and it will notch into place with these grooves, so it'll stay in place. The settings increase or decrease the amount of seed coming through and being spread out. So once it's filled up, it's going to go over the opposite shoulder of whichever side you're spreading from, and it's actually designed to be spread from the left side of your body. That's where the curvature is. So it's meant to be a right-handed crank. And there's a little finger grip here on the left, so you can hold it with your left hand at the bottom if you'd like. And you just walk and spread. You can get it going really fast. So there's barely any effort at all to spin this. Hey, I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.